this video, I will share how to make your own seed starting mix and how to sow seeds in a seedling tray. For that, you need a seedling tray with drainage holes. The components of a seedling mix are vermicompost, coco peat, and perlite. Take each one in equal quantity. Now we will mix all the three components before filling the seedling tray. The vermicompost gives the nutrition to the seeds, the coco peat helps in water retention, and the perlite helps in air circulation. Now the mix is ready to be filled in the seedling tray. Now we will fill each cell of the seedling tray with the mix. We will fill each cell completely. We will gently tap the mix so that it fills correctly into the cell. Similarly, we will fill rest of the seedling tray. Now we will water the mix thoroughly. We need to do this because when we will sow the seeds, the seed should not move from its place. I am using a small bottle to water gently. You can use a spray bottle as well. Now we have watered the seedling mix thoroughly. Now the seedling tray is ready for seeds to be sown. The next step is labeling the seeds. It is important to label the seeds so that we know what seeds are growing and what are not. I have these strips cut out from some packets which I will use to label the seeds. You can use other labels as well. Now I will take one strip and write the name of the seed that I am going to sow. Now I will take the label and add it to the start of each line. Similarly, I will take another label and do the same exact step. Similarly, we will label the rest of the tray. Now we will sow the seeds. For that, take a tool something like that I have, or take something pointy which you can use to make the holes. Now I will take the seeds that I am going to sow. Take small amount of seeds at a time. Now I will just sprinkle the seeds in the holes that I have made. Now we will gently cover the seeds. We do not need to bury them too deep as they are very tiny seeds. Similarly, I will sow the seeds in the next line. Another thing to keep in mind is that never sow all your seeds at once. Always sow some amount of seeds and keep some in the packet, because sometimes the seed may not be of good quality, or sometimes because of some other factor the seed might not germinate. So it's important that you have some seeds as backup so that you can try again. Again, we will gently cover the seeds. Now we can sow the rest of the seeds in the similar manner. Although we have watered the mix already, we will still add some amount of water so that the seed have enough moisture and do not dry out. Now place the tray in a place where they will get 3 to 4 hours of morning sunlight. Avoid harsh direct sun until seedlings appear. Keep the seeds moist with watering, but don't overwater or else the seeds will rot inside the soil. I hope this video was helpful to you. Take care of your plants and take care of yourself.